Good morning. Am I audible? Good morning. Am I audible? Okay. Thank you for giving me a response once again. Friend, welcome to the Moodle webinar. On this webinar is organized by Department of Management Science, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. First of all, I really thanks to my director, Dr. Abhijit Shelke sir, who has permitted me to conduct this webinar on Moodle LMS platform, how to use this LMS platform. Now everyone knows that in today's world, everyone was is having an issue or a problem due to this corona pandemic. Even the teaching fraternity is also suffering from this. And then how to handle the day-to-day life teaching work using this online technique. So that point we are going to discuss practically today. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use Moodle effectively in your teaching work. My name is Satish Bhalashankar. I am an assistant professor at Department of Management Science. I am working over there since last 12 years, and I'm using the Moodle from 2014 onwards. And Moodle is one of the best platform to handle your all the tasks, just like how to send notes or how to share the notes, how to conduct class test, how to conduct or take the submission of assignment, how to take feedback, all such things. Even how to share your videos if you are able to record your videos, all such things. It is really a good platform to do all such things. So let's begin with the point. So what actually teacher is doing? So there are so many tasks we are performing. Obviously, earlier the pandemic situation, as well as even during the pandemic situation, the role of teacher is now more responsible, because now the students are not in front of us, or in fact we are not seeing each other physically one. So there is a big challenge for teacher also to handle all the such tasks and get the output from student. So teacher is doing teaching, counseling, mentoring, and so many different type of tasks we are also conducting. Like this, we are planning a lesson. Now earlier in the classroom work, whatever we are performing, we are using chalks and boards, blackboards. Even some of the teachers, those who are techno savvy, they are supposed to prepare the ppts and share that ppts using the screens and projectors. But now in the online teaching, yes, the lesson planning is there, but yes, it is a little bit different. We have to record it, or we have to plan it such a way that if it is live, then the point how to deliver this all such things in live also. Because in the actual physical one we are just able to discuss, but in the live one it is not possible to make the discussion parallelly, because the voices make a problem to deliver the session. So how to make a lesson plan, then obviously how to check the students ability, that conducting the class test and taking the assignments, how to do that type of work over there using Moodle. And these are the LMS activities. Obviously we are performing, that is a learning management system. User creation, course, we can online course we can create, we can conduct the virtual classes, then we can do the surveys using feedback, we can download the various types of reports, as well as we can share the knowledge, we can do the mentoring also. and lot of things. So why we need LMS nowadays? Due to this corona pandemic, once again it is making problem in a higher level, at least in Maharashtra. So the benefits of LMS, if you are using not only Moodle but any type of LMS, like Google Classroom is also over there, but Google Classroom is teacher concentrated, not the student one, whereas the Moodle is the institute level LMS platform. So using this LMS, we can have the online classes anytime, anywhere, because it is obviously it is a web-based or cloud-based software. Then 24/7 access we are having. Learn at your own pace. There is no need to apply the timetable. So there are so many LMS platform are available. Near about 700 LMS are till the date available. Maybe the chances are there due to this corona pandemic. It may be increased. The count is increased. These are some famous platforms. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, just like a Blackboard, Docebo. These are the paid version. Talent LMS paid version, eFront paid version, whereas the Google Classroom, ICMS, Bridge and the Moodle, these are the free as well as the paid one. Paid one means the hosting charges only. The software is totally free. So how to choose? So it is not a problem. Moodle is one of the best platform, and it is the first platform which has designed in this area. So the long form of Moodle is Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. And then these are the benefits. So many benefits we are having, and few of them like this. Upload, you can upload, or a student can upload the various type of documents as assignment, or you can upload also a Word file, Excel sheet, PowerPoint, PDF file, images, even audio files as well as video also. Easy to use interface, it is really easy. Then multi-user as well as multi-site support. Then language support, yes, the people, those who are having a background from the different language, just like Hindi, Marathi, Urdu, Pali, Malayalam, Tamil, Punjabi, Bengali, Gujarati, such type of a language course you can create in Moodle. There is no only in English. It is having so many different type of languages in Indian as well as view courses at a glance, means a whole course you can see in a single scroll. Then resolution support, yes, the same website can be open at laptop, desktop or in your mobile phone as well as the then assessment, you can perform the various type of assessment. All such type of benefits are available. This is a person who has designed the Moodle. The name is Dr. Martin Tagiamas. He has designed this website, a wonderful product, as his PhD work. This is the PhD work of our this beloved friend. He has designed this thing in very fruitful manner. And when he was in his PG, and he found that there is no such a good type of a software to handle this education system. So he started his PhD in this LMS platform, and the Moodle work came out as output. And nowadays, near about after the COVID pandemic situation, there are 75 crore users right now are using Moodle as a LMS in their education system. It might be a university, institute, teachers, individual teachers as well as the students. So 75,000 users are successfully using the Moodle platform at their own hosting panel. So this is the window which is having more importance in the Moodle, and that is nothing but the add an activity or resource. So these are the activities we are supposed to perform, like assignment, attendance. Then if you want to take the live lecture, then big blue button, then you can send books. Then chatting, you can do the chatting, as well as you can give a custom certificate, you can take a feedback. Then discussion forum, quiz, and lot of things. But today we are going to see few of them, not all. It is not possible to conduct because to learn the Moodle we need at least 12 contact hours, or we can say 12 online hours to learn the at least basic Moodle. But today, in today's webinar, I'm going to at least show you how the basic things which are very useful to all of you, and using this one you are able to conduct your sessions and do your all such things in online mode. So now observe this sheet. Observe this sheet carefully. So this sheet is looking some internal marks record. So friend, I have created this sheet, or I have downloaded this sheet using the Moodle platform in the Excel format, and I have just modified it, the colorful and bold, all these things using the Excel sheet, not exactly from the Moodle, but you can download the data, record or reports from this Moodle software. So today we are going to see these are the things which are necessary for us. So first one is how to create a course in Moodle website, then how to add content on course page, then how to add a student account, then how to create a class test using quiz, then how to attend class test, then how to declare an assignment, then how to submit assignment, gradebook download, and obviously the feedback collection. These are the few points in coming 1.5 hour we are going to learn practically. So let's begin with the website. There are two websites available in the market, those who are giving you a limited time of period for a free Moodle website. So you can create your own free Moodle website either using moodlecloud.com, or another one is gnomio.com. Both websites are giving you chance for a limited version of students or all such data like this, if you want to compare like this. So in the free version you are not charging any cost, but 500 students you can register. 50 concurrent means 50 students at most can access the website. 2 GB storage they are giving to you, and max 100 MB file you can upload. An email you can send through the Moodle to your student, and the remaining benefits are not available for you. If you want to choose, you can take help of this one. You just contact them. At the end of session I am also proposing that one. Then the another one is a Moodle Cloud. It is also a website which is directly given by the Moodle itself. You just need to click on get started, and there is also a free plan for you. They are giving much of the benefits as compared to Gnomio. They are giving lot of things for you. So click on try it for free, and here create new account, and then you have to accept all these terms and conditions, and then click on next. Then here you have to provide the details, like I am providing my own. The email address, you have to give the email address as well as then you have to provide the mobile number along with India, then organization name, in university, because we are having university, so you can choose appropriately as per your own, like university, college, high school, primary school, or anything which you suits better. Then address and your role. So my role is here as a teacher. If you are interested to receive the Moodle Cloud news and tips, so you can choose this one. So यहाँ पे I'm sorry. So here the if you are interested, you can choose the Moodle Cloud I wish to receive. Otherwise, you can skip it. So I will repeat it here. The name, surname, then email address, then mobile number, then Department of Management Science. This is the organization name, the organization type, and then click on next. Now here you need to provide the website name. The website name is very important. So website name, whatever you feel. So I'm giving here like this, UDMS Moodle, UDMS Moodle. Okay, or I will make it little bit short. If it is available, then I will check it. No, it is already taken, so I will choose the another one. Yeah, it's available. BAMU, it's a short name of our university, so I'm choosing the my domain name is for this Moodle website is bamu.moodlecloud.com. so this is my domain address, which is creating after the accepting terms and condition. So I have chosen this domain name for my website, and then click on next. And here now give the verification code which receives at your mobile phone. So I will get a code over here. I have to receive the code. It is taking little bit time. Yes, I got the code. The code is 505669. This code I received here. I have to put that code and then click on next. After accepting the code, it will ask me for the password. The by default username for the super user or main user is admin, and the password you need to set for this admin user. So I am setting a password here. And then click on next. And then look at here, my website is ready. Just click on this thanks, take me to my Moodle site. So I will log out first, and one more time we will go to the login here again. So what is the address for my website? It is bamu.moodlecloud.com. So this is the website which we have created. Now the username is admin, and the password is whatever the password we have been set here. So I'm using that one. So I will add that password here. And now observe here, this is the initial environment of our website. So I want to change the name of my website here as well as here also. So how to change it? It's easy. Click on the, remember this setting button is having more importance. These are the statistics which the Moodle Cloud has given to you, that you can add 1,000 students in your portal. You have a 5 GB space they are given, and this website is going to expire on 17th May. This website is expire on 17th May because they are providing you a 45 days as a free trial. After that, if you want to upgrade, you can choose their plan, or you just download it and host it at your own Moodle hosting plan. So this setting button having a more importance, we are going to click in the coming points frequently over here. On the left side, look at here, there are some links are given to you, that is home, then dashboard, then calendar is also there, then the content bank it will show you, then site administration. Now in today's session I am going to deliver both points, few of from site administration and few of from teaching point of view. So there are two roles we are observing today. One is a site administrator. Obviously site administrator means that the student account creation or a teacher account creation, plugin installation, all such things are over there. That is a look of a site administrator, whereas the teacher is supposed to create the courses only, add the assignments, add the class test, add the notes, videos and all such things. But now before that we will change the name of our website over here. So I will click here at home and I want to change my name. So I will click here, click on edit settings, click on edit settings. Then instead of that name I will give my Department of Management Science, LMS, and the school name I will give you here short. Then after that the remaining settings are the standard one. So click save changes and look at here. Now it is displaying the name as per me, as per my understanding, that this Department of Management Science, then UDMS and all such things are available over here. Now the next point is how to create a course. Now we have created a website, a free website, a demo website at this moodlecloud.com. Now I want to create my own website. I want to create own course, over here. So how to create a course? So it is really easy. So click on site administration. Now remember, this is a part of site administrator. He has to create the structure and then the teacher has to create the course. But before that I am just creating the structure. So click on courses, then add a category, and here I will add the category as MCA, okay, or like this, MCA first semester, or whatever course you are taking, that like MA, MCom, BA, BCom, B engineering, ME, Master of Engineering, MTech, like this. So I am here in our department for MCA course, that's why I have chosen MCA. Then the ID, if you are having any ID, you can provide the ID. I will provide like this, a short one, and description, that is a Master of Computer Applications. And then click on create category. Then look at here, there are two categories displaying. One is miscellaneous and another one is the MCA first semester. Now I will create one more, so it will give you the better idea. So make it as a top, because we are having the top one, the MCA second semester, then MCA second, and then I will add here also as a create category. So look at here, now two categories are displaying, MCA first semester, MCA second semester. So I have some content for today's session. This is a subject or a syllabus we are going to add into our this Moodle portal. This is a syllabus, and now we are interested to add this syllabus into our Moodle website. I will open the Word file for the syllabus as well. Yes. So now the syllabus is this operating system concepts belongs to MCA second semester. Now we will create a course of this operating system subject. So I have opened the Word file as well as. Before that, now we will create a course over here. So how to create a course or how to define a course, it is very easy. Either you can click on a home button and you can just click here, turn editing on. After creating over here, look at here friend, a button is created over here, that is add a new course. I repeat again, I will make it as a turn editing off. So our website structure should be like this, and then click on settings, turn editing on, and a button is generating on a left side, downward side, that is add a new course. So click on this add a new course, and now here provide the full title of your subject, that is operating system concepts. That is a case study we have taken over here. So this subject we are going to add in today's webinar. This is an operating system concept. The code of this subject is MANC 407. So short name I am providing here as OSC. Then the category, now I am choosing here a category as a MCA second semester. Why? Because the subjects is belong to same MCA second semester. That's why I have changed the category. Instead of miscellaneous, the category is MCA second semester. Now the course is displaying. Either you want to hide or show, you can choose, but I want to show it. And the course date is today itself. It is starting today. And the ID of this course is MANC 407. Now the course end date, it is by default disabled. If you are interested, you can provide the end date, but I am not interested. That's why I am just changing. I'm not changing this setting. In course summary, you can provide either, if you wish to provide this course outcome or objectives of the subject, whatever you have defined. So I am interested to provide this course outcome. I will copy it and I will paste that one into this course summary. Then if you have a course image as well as, you can provide here the course image also, but remember it should be we can say copyright free issue, otherwise it will create a problem. So I am not uploading the course image right now. Then next important point is course format. So course format is topic format. So there are 4 formats are available: single activity, social format, topics format, and weekly format. So mostly we are having enough priority among these two. Either you choose topic or weekly. Weekly format means timetable wise whatever the format is over there. So right now we are having a weekly 4 hour for each subject. So in that way also you can define, or you can choose the topic one. But I would like to suggest you that you should choose the topic format. Then you may have a question in your mind that why sir? Because sometimes due to some holidays or due to some other work, we are not able to conduct the session on that particular time. So in weekly format, it will make something change over there, or you have to update over there like that. So instead of in topic format, the time limit is not over there, and due to this exact facility, that is a topic format, you are able to define the structure of class test and as per your own understanding and as per your own necessity. So I am choosing here as a topic format, and then here there are total 5 units. So I am considering them as a topic. and I am uploading them into this Moodle website. Look at here, there are 5 units. There are 5 units displaying to us: unit 1, unit 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I am considering them as a unit, as a topic over here. So I will add 5 topics, and the remaining setting is standard one, so don't change them. I repeat again, the remaining setting is the standard one. Maximum upload file you have to choose over here, that is assignment file or submission, all such thing. So I am changing here as a maximum upload file as a 10 MB, and the remaining setting is a standard one, so don't change. I repeat again, click on add new course, then provide here the course title, the title short name, then the category which we have defined earlier, then visibility, then the start date, then ID number. In description you have to provide the description about the subject, then format, that is a topic format, the number of section 5, and then the file upload size. It is up to you, you can choose up to 100 MB, but I am choosing 10 MB sufficient for all. And then click on save and return, then click on save and return. So in the home page you will look at here, all the categories are displaying to you. So now where is my course? So the course is defined at home button. So look at here, after clicking on a home link you will get your subject displaying below to the introduction to Moodle. This is a by default course defined or given by the Moodle website or Moodle Cloud website. So it on this code you will get a help, but I am directly showing you on our subject. So look at here, this is the subject which we have created recently, only the structure. Now we are updating it step by step. So I will click this subject, I'm clicking here, and now observe this environment. Now it is little bit changed. I will change initially, I will make it as a turn editing off. Okay, so this is an off mode. So this mode is available to student as well as the student are not having this button. Remember, I repeat again, turn editing on as well as the setting button. These things are not available to our student. This is available only for course creator, teacher or manager or your super site administrator. Only these people are having the access of this one. Student is not having a modification rights on this portal. So on the left side, the participant, look at here, participant means the number of student. It will display over here, meaning after enrolling the student, we are going to enroll the student later on. And then next is badges. Badges means if you are conducting any class test and you are giving some extra we can say appreciation to your student, so you can create a badge, and those who are getting more marks or beyond your imagination, they will get badges using this. Obviously it is a virtual badge, but yeah, it's a motivation for your student. Then grades, here we are going to define the categories of grades, that is class test and assignment. Not only these, but apart from that you can define your own also. Then the dashboard, these are the old links now, so the upper one are the important for us. So now I will click here for my subject, that is OSC, and then in the center part these are the 5 topics which we have created here, that is topic 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to edit all the such thing and I want to add my material over here. So how to do? So it's easy, click on turn editing on, and now our website is in the mode of edit. So you can now add the content, edit the content over here. So it's easy, just go over here and now click on edit and edit topic. So we will change our first topic over here and make it as a unit 1, and I will copy the syllabus point of unit 1 over here, and I will paste that point into the summary. This is the first point for the unit 1, and then click on save changes. Look at here, the first unit is displaying. We will do the same thing over here, edit, then edit topic, then second point, copy here, then paste here, then unit 2, make it as a save change. We will upload the same thing for the unit 3 as well. As I'm copying the points of unit 3, then make it as unit 3, then save changes, then unit 4, copy it, and again unit 4, click on the unit edit topic, change here, make it as unit 4, and then paste here, save changes. Look at here, unit 1, unit 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have just added the syllabus, okay, not the content. We are just creating the structure here for our subject, that what point we are going to learn from each unit. So I will upload, I have to upload all them. Yes, I have uploaded everything from the syllabus, and now the initial structure for my subject is ready. Now I want to share first file with my student, and the first file is obviously syllabus. Even though it is a displaying on our website, I want to share the PDF file of the subject with my students. So how to do it? So it's easy. Now click on add an activity or resource. Look at here, this is the first upper block. Here the link is given, add an activity or resource. So click on add an activity or resource, and then click on resources, then choose file. Now there are two types of method to upload a file. Okay, so I will upload the syllabus file over here, syllabus of OS C. In description it is optional. Remember, the exclamatory mark showing over here means that this particular field is mandatory. I repeat again, this field which is showing the exclamatory mark in front of that one, meaning is that that field is mandatory for us. Remaining fields are optional. If you don't want to give the data, no problem, you can skip it, there is no issue. Now here in the next point, that is a select file, either you can choose this drag and this arrow and go to the file picker option, or you can directly drag and drop the file over here. So I will show you the file picker option first. So how to open this file picker option? Just click on this blue color downward arrow, and then click on the upload a file, then click on choose file, then go to the appropriate location where you have kept the material of your subject. So I will click on this one, and this is the PDF file of our syllabus. So I will select that PDF file and click on open, and then here you can give here the different name as per your interest. It is again optional, but I am just providing here to understand more better way, and then click on upload this file. Now our file is uploaded successfully on Moodle. Look at here, the file icon is also displaying, that is, it is a PDF file. and then remaining settings are the standard one, so don't change them. Click on save and return to the course, and look at here, our first file uploaded successfully over here. So it is displaying over here, and this particular file is showing me the syllabus of operating system, and this file is on our Moodle website, that is bamu.moodlecloud.com / so and so, and the syllabus file is displaying over here. Student can download this file if they are interested. So in this way I have uploaded the PDF file. We will practice it one more time. Click on add an activity or resource, then click on resources, file, and then here add the new name. Now at my department I am using the structure like that. I am giving student some declaration, that is how I am going to assess them. So that file is also over here. Yes, this file we are interested. So some sort of a description I'm using to share with my student, that is how much marks I'm going to deliver for class test, and how much marks student has to earn from the assignment, and total 20 marks as an internal work. So I'm sharing the same sheet with my students. So how to do it? So I will show you the another one technique, that is a drag and drop internal marks distribution. Okay, and now here I will upload that file using drag and drop. So I will go over here at the location, I will select that file using mouse cursor and go to the website, and just look at here, this dotted rectangle is right now a red color one. As soon as I took the file over here, it is going to change the color and it is now showing in a blue one, meaning is that file is in a proper position. And now I have to release the file, I have to release the mouse cursor. If I release the mouse, the file uploaded successfully over here. This is another way you can upload the file, drag and drop option. And then again, the remaining settings are the standard one, so I'm not changing them. Click on save and return to the course. My another PDF file uploaded successfully. So look at here, my file is uploaded successfully. Now how to add video file in a better way for our student if you want to share them? Obviously remember, the video content must be yours. If you want to add the content of other people, then please give the credit or recognition in description that this video you have downloaded from so and so website, this person is creator of that video. So it will not make any we can say copyright issue at your own end. But if video is your own, then there is no issue, there is no necessary to provide the description. So how to add the video? So consider like this, I am having few videos but I am uploading only 2. So these are some videos which I have created here.
Hello friends, today we are protection mechanism monitors the activities.
I want to share these pre-recorded sessions.
This is a devices and obviously that
I want to share these pre-recorded sessions with my students. So how to add them? It's easy. Now these videos belonging to unit 1. So I will click on add an activity or resource, and then I will click on here lesson activity. I have to click on where? Lesson activity. And then here after clicking on a lesson activity, you need to provide the title here. As I already told you that if the exclamatory mark is there, meaning is that you need to give the title or appropriate value over here. If you are not providing here, it will not update the content. So I'm giving here a title that like video lecture series of unit 1 or unit 1, like this, or a pre-recorded or a video pre-recorded like this. I'm just giving here as a video session. Okay, and then in description, if you are interested, you can provide that in this series we are going to learn introduction of OS, and then another point is computer system view. If you are interested to show this description on course page, you can choose this link. If you are not interested, then make it as a blank, no issue. I'm making it as a blank. I'm not showing this one on a course page. Next important is appearance. So in appearance, I want to make the display menu as a S. Okay, I'm just changing the setting for display menu. I'm not changing the progress bar. I'm not showing the progress bar, in fact. Then availability. Now it is up to you if you want to show this content for we can say for a limited period. You can choose the availability, that is the video are available from so and so time, and it will be closed or it will not be available on some 2 days or 3 days afterward. The video are not going to display. Or you can apply the time limit also, that only 30 minutes or 40 minutes student can watch the videos. After that, what will happen? After the 40 minutes, they are not able to watch this video. But it is again up to you. If you are not interested, you can leave this blank. There is no issue. There is no big deal. So it is up to you again. So I am not giving any time limit for the video. Why? Because student can access my video at the end of, up to the end of semester. Then next is a flow control. Yes, in flow control, if you are interested, you can apply the question, but for that purpose, instead of the flow control, you are just having another facility called the discussion forum. So instead of this one, you just use the discussion forum. So make it as a blank. Then next is a grade. Now just to listen the video, we are not giving any marks, so I am just changing it as a none. I repeat again, I am not giving any marks for just listening my session. Instead of that, I am conducting the class test and assignment. Then next settings are the standard one, so we are not changing them. Now look at here, that is a title of the session, description. In a progress bar, we are changing display menu as a yes. Availability, it is again up to you. If you want to give for some limited period and limited days, you can provide, but I'm not changing. And then in grade, I'm changing it as a none instead of any marks. And after that, click on save and return to the course. And then after closing the session, creating this link, the link is displaying over here, friend. Now it is just link we have created. We have to add the two videos over here. So I want to add the videos over here. So how to add the videos? It is really easy. Click on edit, then click on expanded mode, and then click on the third link directly. Don't click on the remaining one, just click on the third link directly, that is add a content page. Click on this add a content page, and here give the title of that videos. So my first video is a lesson on introduction of OS, so I will provide here the first video name, that is introduction of OS. And then in page content, now we are directly importing that video in this page content link. So video, how to import here? So this is a toolbar given to us. This toolbar is very useful, and apart from this toolbar, this link is showing us, that is insert or edit an audio video file. So select that one, then select the video. After choosing the video, click on browse repositories, After choosing the browse repositories, choose file, then go to the location where you have kept the file, and then select the first file and click on upload this file. The file is uploaded successfully. Look at here, my first video uploaded successfully. And after that you need to provide the next page link also. So I am providing here the next link is computer system view, and then click on jump on next page, and then click on save page. So meaning is that the video is uploaded successfully along with the next video link also. The next video link is computer system view. So how to add the another video? Again here, after the first video, few links are generated in front of us. So apart from these links, we have to choose only this link, that is add a content page. So choose this add a content page, and then after that just select here the title, that is computer system view, the next video, and then choose the another video. So click here add a content page, add your video, then video, browse repositories, choose file, choose the second video, and click on upload this file. The another video is going to upload here. My next video is uploaded also successfully. In description, now this time I will provide here the previous video link, because I am having only 2 videos, so I will provide here the jump for the previous page, and then click on in the content page, content 2 I will close also. So if I am having only 2 video, I will give the link also, that end of lesson. Meaning is that after clicking on this button, we will get the message that the session has done. So jump on here, that is end of lesson. So now my video links are ready, that is video 1 and video 2. So how to share this thing with our student, because right now we have created the syllabus, we have created the video links as well as, but we are not having a student record also over here. So how to add? So now again the site administrator task is going to start. So how to add a student? So click on site administration, and then here click on users, and then after clicking on the users, select add a new user for a single user. We are uploading bulk user also, but how to create a single user? So click here single user, provide here a email username as a email address. I'm just giving here as a username. The email address is already created here, so I'm just creating here one more, and then a password. Remember the standard of password is, that is minimum 8 characters. Apart from that, 1 character must be alphabet, 1 character must be small, 1 character must be a special character, and few numericals. Okay, so combination of like this, not necessarily the same structure you have to opt. You can use either dollar, you can use either hash, you can use either percentage or underscore, anything, but the combination should be like this, minimum 8 character. Then you can choose force password change, meaning is that this whatever the password we have said, student needs to change that one. The name of the student, like I'm giving here some random name, again the email address. These 5 fields are mandatory, that is username, password, first name, last name, and email address. Remaining fields are optional, and then click on create user. So we have created one user over here. Look at here, it's showing the name of that student. And now how to upload a bulk student? So again click on site administration, click on users, then click on upload users. After clicking on upload user, just open the Excel sheet file in the format of CSV. So look at here, I am just opening that file, the Excel sheet file, which is having these 5 fields. It is really easy to create this file. That is username, then first name, then last name, password and email. And now you have to just upload this file into Moodle portal. So how to upload? Again the drag and drop option is over there. So upload this file. I'm just saving that file and closing it. The bulk student enrollment, I will drag this file and drop this file into this box or into this rectangle, and after that click on upload users and then choose force password all, and after that click on upload users. After clicking on upload users, look at here, 2 users created successfully, and then click on continue. So now here how many users we are having? There are total 4 users. It will show to us. Look at here, that is Pradeep Wagmare, Sandeep Kumar, Satish Bhalshankar, and one more Satish Bhalshankar as a student as well as teacher also. So in this way we have created 4 users. Apart from that, one is a teacher and another 3 are student. So we will try to log in with student's email address and check it out whether the website is accessible or not. So I will open the website on another browser. So I'm using here Mozilla Firefox. I have opened here Mozilla Firefox, and here provide the username, and then in the password we have set the password. So I am giving here password and click on login. Look at here, it is asking me for the password change. So I need to change the password, otherwise I am not able to access the website. So I am changing the password here and updating the password, and now my password has been changed successfully. I have to accept these terms and condition, as this is the website given from the moodlecloud.com. So I need to accept the terms and condition, and then now I'm able to access the website. Right now I'm just able to access the website but not the content. Why? Because we have just created the website, we haven't enrolled the student. Look at here, it is giving an error that you cannot enroll yourself in this course. Why? Because the teacher has not enrolled yourself into this subject. So teacher need to enroll yourself in this subject. So now as a teacher I am going here, I will open the website, I will open my subject, and now look at here friend, how to enroll the student into our subject. So click on participant and then click on enroll users, and then after that we will choose using a drag and drop option and choose all the students. So except the teacher account, I am including all the student account. That is, these are the 3 student account, Moodle Student 98, 96 and 99, and then click on enroll users, and just look at here friend, I am having all these students into my subject. Now I can send an email to them also on this their registered email address. So how to send the email? Just choose the student, all them, and then with selected user send a message, and now in this message send them a message, hi students, now you can access the website. ठीक है, and then click on send to 3 people. So message will send to the student account. How to check it? I will open the student's Gmail account over here. I will open that. This is a Gmail account of our student, Moodle student 96. Okay, it will take a time to receive the email from the new website. It has to receive, but it will take a little bit time. Okay, now consider our student got the idea that the student got enrollment into subject. I will refresh the page from student login, and now look at here. The Sandeep Kumar is able to access the website. Okay, and here just observe here, as I already told you, that the student is not having any privileges to modify the content of the website. There is no setting button is displaying over here. Okay, and now the student is having the syllabus access, internal marks distribution file like this, as well as student is able to watch the video also over here. So in this way student can watch the video.
Hello friends,
Unlimited times.
today we are going to start our first
This is the first video.
introduction.
If the student wants to go to second video, he can click here on a computer system view, or he can click on this lesson menu. Here all the video links are generated.
What you got?
So click on computer system view. Then this is a second video. Student can watch this second video also.
The computer system.
And now student, if you want to change the first video, click on this. And if again want to go to the second video, he can click on this link. And if he feel that I want to close, click on end of lesson. The session is done over here. In this way student can watch the video as well as your PDF file. Now next important point is how to conduct the class test. So class test is a very easy task. You can add some different type of question over here, like you can ask multiple choice, true false type, match the following, fill in the blanks type of question using Moodle. Not only these type, apart from that there are a few more facilities are available. Drag and drop on image, such type of question even you are able to ask for your student. So I am just taking few questions for today's webinar. A multiple choice question, then true false, then match the following, then fill in the blank. These are the few questions. I have already created them into the Moodle format named gift format. So how to create a gift format? The process is very simple. You can just observe that process on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is, currently now you are watching the same YouTube live using my same YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is over here. This is my channel, and here my channel name is Want to Run Your Online Course Learn Moodle. Here you will get the idea how to create a quiz or how to create a gift format for quiz over here. I have created a channel in last year during the pandemic, and here I have added all the important necessary point for the participants. You can share this link to your friends and colleagues if they wish to learn the Moodle and use the Moodle in their own day-to-day life teaching. So now I have just created the question format for the Moodle one over here already, and now I will upload these 5 questions into our Moodle website, and I want to take a test of these students. So how to do it? It's really easy. Click on, first of all I have to upload the question into question bank. So I have to click on this setting button, then click on more. After that, scroll down here and just click on categories. Create a categories over here, that is a category for the default for OS obviously, and a class test on unit 1. This is the category I have created, and then click on add category, and then after that select this category, that is a class test on unit 1, then click on import. I have to click here on import, and then after that there are these 8 different formats are available, that is icon format, Blackboard, embedded, exam view, gift, Moodle, missing word sorry, and Moodle XML and web city. But apart from that, the gift format is one of the best one, and the second one is a Moodle XML also, but Moodle XML need extra technical knowledge. Instead of that, the gift format is very best format. So choose the gift format, and after that check the category, that is class test on unit 1, and then in this import question from file link you have to drag and drop that question. So I have to choose this text file, and then I will open that file. Oh sorry, something is wrong with my system. Yeah, now I have to drag that file and open it into the Moodle website, and I dropped here and then click on import. So look at here friend, my all 5 questions are imported successfully into our Moodle website. So these 5 questions, apart from that, 2 are multiple choice, one is true false, one is match the following, and another is fill in the blanks type question. And then click on continue, and then after using this one I have imported all the question. I will show you the type of that question too. Look at here. So I will sort them using a type. So look at here, true false, fill in the blanks, match the multiple choice, and match the following. You can sort them using question number also. So I will make it as a normal one. Now my all 5 questions are imported successfully. Now I want to create my class test. So how to create a class test? So it is easy. Now I have my questions with me. I have to click on this unit 1 link, then in the unit 1 link choose add an activity or resource. After that choose the quiz facility, choose the quiz facility over here, and then in quiz facility you need to provide the title again, that is unit 1 class test, unit 1 class test, and then after that in timing choose the timing over here. Now the timing you have to provide here timing definitely. So I'm choosing here timing, that is 12, 15 or 16 onwards, then or we can take few more time, 10, 12, 20. Okay, then the quiz is going to stop 3 minutes are sufficient for us. So I'm choosing here as a 3 minutes because there are only 5 questions. I'm giving a time limit as well as 3 minutes only. Then grade, In grade I am choosing the grade as a category. Now here the point is remaining, that is a grade category. So we haven't created a grade category, so I will go here, I have to create the grade categories. So how to create a grade categories? It's easy. Click on grades, after that click on setup, and in setup now we have to create the category. So click on add category. Give the title, that is class test, and then click on save change. Remaining settings don't change at all. One more category we will add right now, that is assignment, and then click on save changes, and then look at here, the categories are ready. I will click on here, it is not showing, so I will make refresh. Okay, so one more time we have to provide the name, that is unit 1 class test. Now in description we have to provide the description. We forgot we are not added earlier, so now we have to add the details like this: the class test on unit 1, total question 5, total marks 10, and time is 3 minutes. Like this I am giving the description for my student. In timing I have to set the timing again, so I will upload the timing. I will make it as a timing uploaded, only 3 minutes sufficient. Then grade, now here in a grade I'm choosing grade as a class test. Now how many attempt? No, only one attempt, not unlimited, because these questions are going to disclose, that's why only single attempt is allowed. If in your organization any minimum passing for the separate passing for your class test, you can provide here. If it is not, keep it blank. Then in layout, if you want to change the layout you can change, but I'm not suggesting that one. Don't change the layout. Question behavior, no change. Review, yes, we are changing the review. So remove these all points from the review one, that is these are showing the result of students marks instant if you are not changing the settings. So change this setting, only the attempt is keep it as a on. Why? Because student will get idea that what he has or she has chosen, only that idea he will get or she will get. Remaining one details are not available. It will available only after completing the class test over here. Then the student will get the marks as well as whether his answer or her answer is correct or not, everything, and as well as the remaining feedback. So only after the closing is class test is going to close, all the options are opening. Then remaining is appearance, don't change. Then if you want to apply the extra settings, you can change the extra settings here. You can provide here password, like I'm giving here password, that is unit 1. Look at here as a password for the class test, and remaining settings are the standard one, don't change them. And now I will show you again the class test name, description, timing, then the category, don't change the layout, attempt, only one attempt, then the review options, we are not changing that one, and then click here save and return to the course. So now after that the class test is structure is ready. Look at here, everything is showing over here, but now the no question have been added yet. So how to add them? Because we have already imported question into bank, so from bank we have to add them. So click on edit quiz here. Now click on shuffle first, then click on add button, and from the question bank choose the second option from the question bank. and from question bank choose the category. So the by default category is, it is showing OS, but our category is class test on unit 1. So look at here, it is showing me the 5 questions over here. So I will choose all the 5 questions and add them into my class test. So now by default it is having a 1 marks, so I want to change them. So match the following, I am giving here, it is as a 4 marks because it is having 4 options. So I am giving one option, 1 mark for one option, and then total 8 marks here, but the class test is for 10 marks, so I will give a 2 marks for the multiple choice and one more 2 marks for another multiple choice. Now my class test is become for 10 marks. So now I have to save this class test, and look at here, now my class test is ready over here. So class test structure is ready. So in this way class test is ready. It is showing me the description that the total questions, time, marks, as well as over here the few more details, that is how many attempts, when the class test is going to start, when the class test is going to end, and you must have the password to access the class test, the time limit, everything. And now I will send a message to my student that they are supposed to do the class test. So I will send one more message. I'm trying to send the email. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to open the email from this side. Okay, some settings are over there which are not properly working at Moodle, but yeah, it's a same like that. We have to choose and send the message that class test is on time and send this. The message must go to the student's email address, whatever the email address registered on moodlecloud.com or Moodle website. Yes, it's over here. Look at here, the message is received, that is class test is on time. We got a message from Moodle Cloud. Now we will go here on a student login, click here, oh sorry, this is not a real class test, this is the class test. Now I will open the class test. Look at here, this is student account, click on attempt quiz now, provide the password, that is unit 1 as a password, open it, and now class test is ready. Look at here, the time left is 2 minutes and some seconds. 5 questions are displaying, and the first question is over here as a multiple choice. Questions are random as well as the options are also random. So click on options and choose. Look at here, the true and false is the second question, again the random. Now look at here, this is the third question, which was the last one in our file. So I'm giving the fill in the blank also, then click on next. Now match the following, I will choose the appropriate options for the match the following also. And then click on next page, then the one more question of the multiple choice, and then click on finish attempt. Now I have chosen the appropriate answer. If I feel that the answer is wrong, I can go over here, return attempt, and I can choose one of them question, and then I will change the answer accordingly. If I feel that the answer is not appropriate, all the options, I can apply the flag over here. This flag will give the message to the teacher that you need to look this question or overlook this question, and clarify that I am not getting the correct answer from this question. Okay, like this. If the student feels that the question is having problem, otherwise no flag, the marks is going to display, and then we can click on the finish attempt, and then if I feel all the answers are correct, I can click on submit and finish. Now just observe here, the few seconds still remain over there, and I have submitted my paper earlier, but still result is not displaying to me. It is just showing me the only attempt whatever I have chosen over here. And now how to check the result? So I need to wait for the timing up to, that is now it is 12:21 p.m. what we have decided already over here for the class test. This is a teacher account, this is a class test, and observe here the class test is completed over here. One attempt is showing me to teacher. This is the teacher account. So look at here, that student earn 10 out of 10, but this is the sheet is for the teacher one. So how to get an idea about the marks for students? So we will click on the subject, we will click on the class test again, and now this time it will show the review. Okay, over here, look at here, now the student will get the idea that how many marks he or she has received. So he can review the paper like this, that is whatever the answer he has chosen, it is correct answer, second answer is correct, third answer is correct, fourth is correct, and even fifth is also correct. In this way student can get the idea about the class test result. Now teacher can download the result. How to download? So teacher has to click on the unit class test, then click on this attempt link generated over here, this link, and then after that the teacher has to click on this Microsoft Excel option and download this data. So in this way you are able to download this sheet, and then you are able to modify that Excel sheet as per your need. Like this, you can modify this sheet as per your understanding. The unnecessary content you can remove them, and the necessary content you just put them, just like first name, last name, then the total marks, remaining field if you don't want, remove them. Nowadays the OB structure are asking for these individual marks also. If you want to keep them, you can keep it, or if you don't want, remove them. Now next important point is how to take assignment. The assignment is very important point. So click on add an activity, just click on assignment, then here provide the title for assignment, unit 1 assignment. Then in description we will have another sample question over here, so I will open that one. I'm removing this point. This is again optional, not the compulsory one. Consider there is a question I have given to student that write down some so and so program over here, some data I have given, and expected output should be like this, and student has to design the program and send that file to me. So I will upload this assignment question into my Moodle website. I will copy that one and I will paste that question into description box. So I have pasted that question over here, and then additional file, if you have any additional file for the assignment, you can provide that file, just like I have a PDF file of the same question. So I will open that PDF file and upload that file over here. Then now by default settings are already given for the assignment submission, that when the assignment date is going to start, when it is going to close, everything. If you want to increase or decrease, you can choose appropriately as per your own interest. Then after that, submission type, there are two type of facility. One is online text, another is a file submission, or you can choose both also. Both are also possible, combination, hybrid, but I am choosing the file submission only. And how many files students supposed to upload? So students supposed to upload max 2 files, not more than that. So I will upload 2 files. then the size by default is 1 MB. Then accepted file types, so there are so many options are given to you. You can choose the appropriate as per your need, or you can choose directly here all file types, meaning is that any file, image, audio, video, or anything, but the max limit is only 1 MB, not more than that. Then the feedback types, no change. Submission settings, yes, student needs to accept the submit button, click here, as well as submission statement. Attempt reopen, yes, you can just provide here manually, and how many attempt, so I'm just providing here 2 max attempt, not more than that. Then the next is a submission setting, group submission setting. If the group students are over there, then you can opt this one, but right now we haven't created any group, that's why I'm not choosing that one. The notification, yes, the student and as well as teacher is also getting the notification that student has submitted or teacher has graded, so that's why notification is a good practice. Now in grade we are going to give the marks. Now I'm choosing here as a 10 maximum points, because already we have declared that 10 marks for class test and 10 marks for assignment, so I'm just giving 10 marks for assignment. Then the category I have to choose, and directly I'm just shifting to category. The grading method is by default is simple direct rating is a good one. There are 3 one, marking guide and rubric, but I'm choosing the simple direct first. Then the grade category is assignment, and then click on save and return to the course. So I repeat again, the title, then question, after the question, okay, some extra space is over here, so I have to remove that one. Then additional file, then availability, submission type, submission settings, notification settings, then grade settings. Here in grade we are giving the marks and changing the grade category, and then click on save and return to the course. And look at here, my assignment is also declared over here. So again I am sending a message to my participant, to my student, that assignment also declared. So I will choose the participant, all the participant. After that I will send a message from this box, assignment work must be submitted by each student, like this. I'm just giving message, and the same message will receive at students email box. Look at here, this is another email we got from the Moodle website. Assignment work must be submitted by each student, so student will get idea that the teacher has declared the assignment. So student again go to the website, check it out on the subject that whether the assignment link is there. Yes, the link is given, so student will click that link. The student will read the question that what the teacher is expected. And now look at here, this is the important sheet, that is attempt settings. So these are the attempt settings. Look at here, now the how many attempt given, 2 attempts given. Right now no attempt completed, that's why no grade. The due date is 8 April, 5 days and 11 are still remaining for the student. So now student has to click on this add submission, and now in this add submission student will get the directly option that is file submission. Because we have chosen the type file submission, student needs to upload the answer of these questions or this question into Moodle one. So I will take the Java file which I have created over here. Look at here, the file is already ready. This is a Java program file, and student has to submit this program file onto the Moodle one. After uploading that question answer file, student has to click on save changes. Then the draft is ready, not submitted yet. If the student want to change, he can or she can remove it and upload the fresh file. If it is feeling that it is the okay one, then click on submit assignment. After that, we need to confirm the assignment from the student point of view. Student has to click this confirm of the confirmation about the submission and then click on continue. After that, the assignment submission is done successfully from student login. Now teacher has to manually cross check the assignment and provide the marks appropriately. So how to give the marks? So click on teacher login, come to the teacher login, click on assignment, and after that here you will get the summary that how many students are participated, how many students have created the assignment but not submitted. It will show in a drafts. Then how many students have submitted the assignment, how many student needs a grading. Every detail is displaying to us. Now just click on view all submission. It will show you the summary of all the students over here, and there is a button that is those who have submitted the assignment. It will show you the status that is submitted for grading. Just choose that student's account, and then after that just look at here, it will display you the PDF file. Due to some issue, maybe the file is not generated over here, but the file has to generate over here, and after that the file you have to choose and give the appropriate marks, or you can download that Java file. Look at here, due to this free website, this orange color strip is displaying to us. This strip is not displaying in the paid version. Right now we are using the free version, that's why this strip is displaying. Look at here, in the blue color one I have selected the file which is uploaded by student. So I have to download that file and read that file properly. If I feel that the file is correct and the genuine, then I will give the marks over here. That is a grade out of 10. How many marks? I feel that 9 marks are sufficient. That's why I have chosen a 9 marks out of 10. And in feedback comment I will give comment that good program or good work, anything comment which I feel, and then click on save changes. So what will happen, the marks are going to uploaded or saved for that student, and after that get back from this one. So we need to click on back one, and now I will refresh here. After refreshing the page, look at here, the status is changed. Now it is giving message that the assignment work has graded successfully. Out of 10 marks, 9 marks are given. Now if you want to download this sheet also, you can download the sheet from this one. Look at here, download the selected submission. So I have to select the submission first and then click on go. So it will download the assignment submission work over here like this. You can open it up and Sandeep Kumar's file. So in this way you can download that file and watch that file appropriately. Or if you want to download the result of this one, so that is also possible, but it will be available in grade structure. Okay, so to download the result of this assignment and as a class test, go to the grade book and look at here. In grade book every details is displaying to us, so you need to click on this export. Okay, then click on Excel sheet, then select all the details which you feel that these are the necessary one, and then click on the download option. And now my assignment and class test detail along with the course total internal marks are downloaded over here successfully. I will delete the unnecessary part from this one. I'm not interested to take this part, so I'm just deleting them directly. I'm just interested in this surname, last name, class test total and assignment total. Look at here. And so Sandeep Kumar has given the class test as well as assignment and the course total out of 20 marks. So in this way, you can get a detailed record from this Moodle website. The last but very important point is how to take a feedback. So here I have a few questions. We will upload that question for a single time only, and then we will take a feedback from our student also. So these are a few questions. Okay, not this one, this is very big one. Yes, so we will take only three questions from the first block, and we will take only two questions. Only 5 questions are sufficient to create the feedback form. That is the last point from our today's webinar. So how to take a feedback from our student at the end of semester? So it's very easy activity. So click and add an activity or resource, and then click on feedback, and then here you have to provide the link, that is feedback on subject OSC. Description, it is again optional. If you want to give, provide it or skip it. Availability, again, if you want to give specified time, you can provide it. If you don't want, then skip it. So I am providing here. Why? Because it is a timely activity. That's why not after the 6 month or year we are collecting, only after the end of semester. That's why I'm providing here availability. Then submission setting, anonymous, so it is securing the identity of students. So I am choosing the anonymous by default. Allow multiple submission, no multiple submission, single submission only. Enable notification of submission, yes. Then auto number question, yes. Then after submission, you just provide a message that thanks for your valuable feedback. Then remaining settings are the standard one. We will repeat again the settings. Title of the link, availability, then question and submission setting are record username, no. Anonymous, allow multiple submission, no. Enable notification, yes. Auto number question, yes. And after that, completion message, thanks for your valuable feedback, and then click on save and return to the course. Now link is created over here, so click this link and then click on edit question. Now manually single time we have to upload the question. So there are n number of formats are available, but these are, apart from that, we are just choosing only this multiple choice rated and short text answer. So I am choosing only these two one. So I will click this multiple choice rated one. Then either the question, if you want to make it as a compulsory, if you don't want, then do not click this. If you want to make it compulsory, then click on this required. So what will happen, the student must need to give the answer of that question, otherwise the submission of feedback will not complete. So I have to choose and required. Then I will choose the first question from this one. The rated question is over here. Then I will copy that rated question and I will paste that question here. Number is not necessary, auto number is already over there. The label is also not necessary. Then multiple choice single answer, yes. Multiple choice rated answer. Then vertical, I'm making it as a horizontal. Then hide the option of not selected, yes, I want to hide that option. And then the rate of that answer, the rate is, that is 5 marks for strongly agree, 4 marks for agree, 3 marks, for neutral 2 marks. So these are the standard one. So you just need to upload, that is 5 oblique means strongly agree. If you are choosing strongly agree, 5 marks will calculated. If you are choosing agree, 4 marks will get. In this way options you have to give and then click on save question. So look at here, my first question is uploaded successfully. I will upload one more question over here, multiple choice rated. Click on required. We will take one more question from this one. Okay, and then upload it on this question format. Then instead of vertical, I'm choosing as a horizontal. Hide option, yes, make it as a. Then I will choose the options from multiple values and then save. We will practice it one more and last question again. I am choosing here the one more question and then click on the add question multiple choice rated. Then vertical to horizontal, and finally I will copy the options for this multiple choice rated. And now we will upload only one question of the like this, that is a short text answer or a typed answer over here. So I will click on this short text answer option. Then it is again optional. If you don't want to give this one as a, we will check it out that for one. I'm not choosing as required, so I'm making this as an optional one, and the remaining settings are the standard ones, so don't change them. Click on save. So look at here, all the questions are ready for the feedback. So again I will choose the participant, select all the participant and give them message that feedback link is also ready. So feedback link is also ready. So this habit makes students alert that the teacher has updated on Moodle. So look at here, the message is generated, that is feedback link is also ready. So student will go to the Moodle website, finding the link and click the link. After that the button is generated, that is answer the question. So we have to click this button and the feedback questions are displaying to us, that is the teacher prepares lecture so and so, student needs to give the answer apart from these options. One of the option he has to choose, not all, it is possible. So student needs to choose any one. Then if consider I'm not choosing the second question, what will happen? We will check it out. I will choose the third directly and I will click on the submit your answers. What will happen? It is not accepting. That message is given that the question number 2 required, that is we have to choose the answer. So I'm choosing that one. It is not giving error for the short text answer, but still I'm giving the answer over here. That is very good. And then click on submit your answer. So look at here, thanks for your valuable feedback message is generated to the student. Click on continue. If the student is interested to submit one more feedback, is it possible? No, it is not possible over here. The response is over there that you have already completed this activity, so there is no chance to submit one more feedback. So in this way the Moodle website is very useful. Now how to download the feedback analysis report? So click on teacher login. Now teacher is able to find out the analysis, so click on the feedback link and then on a feedback link there is an option is given, that is analysis. So click on this analysis part. Look at here, it is showing you the whole details in analytical report. You can either download this in the Excel sheet also. Let's just click on this Excel sheet, and this in Excel sheet all the feedback details are displaying to you, and you just need to convert them into the graphical format also. just select the question and just click on insert and then choose the appropriate graph. And now look at here, the analytical report in a of feedback form is generated over here. In this way you are able to do all these things using Moodle platform. So this is very interesting part. You need to practice, then you are able to use this portal effectively into your own day-to-day life teaching work. So this is from our side. If any questions are over there, you can just type these questions into our YouTube live channel. Right now you are able to do it, so you are requested to ask the question if you have. So I'm ready to answer these questions. If any questions you are having, just please ask. No doubt. Okay. If there is no doubt, so before closing our session, friend, this is my organization, Nascency Infotech. We are providing the hosting plans for your organization. We are having, or we have trained 25,000 teachers from last year throughout the India. We have conducted, this is not updated, but we have conducted 450, and today's workshop was 451st. 451वा वर्कशॉप आज कंडक्ट झालेला आहे. And then we have provided the software so many institutes, not university yet, but institutes also. These are some plans we are offering for the Moodle one. So if your organization is interested, you can just visit our website, or you can call us at my mobile number. I'm sharing my mobile number here. So this is my mobile number. You just contact me if you want the Moodle hosting plan as well as the detailed training plan. You can just call me on this mobile number. I will provide you appropriately one. This is a registered form, GST registered form we are having. So if you are interested in a Moodle one, please come to us, and we will provide you the better facility of the LMS platform. So that's all from our side. Thanks a lot. The last part is the feedback and as well as the certification. So I'm sharing here the link in our chat box, as well as I'm sharing it in our notepad also in this session. So the link of that feedback is tinyurl/udms Moodle. No, not this one. Slash. Just a minute, I have a feedback link also. We have created the link. So I have shared the link of our feedback onto this chat box. Please get into the chat box, and as well as I will share it in another format also in tinyurl format, so it will easy for you. Feedback UDMS. Yes, so the link is feedback link along with the certificate link. You need to submit the feedback and you will get a certificate. So link is https://tinyurl.com/feedback UDMS. Just submit your valuable feedback, and if your organization is interested for the Moodle one, it is really helpful to you as well as us. Thanks a lot. Thanks to university for permitting me for this workshop, as well as thanks once again my department director Dr. Abhijit Shirke sir for providing me the chance one more time. Thanks to my colleagues for inspiring me to conduct this valuable workshop. I hope I have given valuable knowledge to you. Thanks again for joining us. Till then, have a good day. Bye. Nice.